Hi everybody, my name is Morgan and I am with Southeast Regional Library, and today I'm going to show you what's inside and how to use your Harry Potter coding wand kit. So in each kit you're going to get 7 Harry Potter coding wands, and we'll go over what comes inside these in just a second. You're going to get 7 of these Amazon Fire tablets with charge cords and charge blocks. And you're also going to get an instruction booklet that tells you how to connect them, how to use them, all that fun stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what comes in your Harry Potter coding wand box. So when you open the box, right away you'll see your instruction booklet, which we'll go over in a second. And there's also a poster with some of the spells, which you will learn as you go through the app, so we'll get to that as well. So when you open up where the wand is, you've got a couple of different parts here, and they're all very important, so we'll go through each of them. So here you have your wand, and this is the back. So obviously this is where all your batteries and computer is going to go. This one is called the brain, essentially, of your coding wand. So this is where all the bits and pieces are that kind of control your wand. This is the button for the wand, so we'll show you where that goes in a second. And then you've got 2 AAA batteries, and those will go into your coding wand brain here. So I'll show you how to set up your wand. We are going to put our batteries in the brain, and you'll notice that it lights up blue, and then it's got a rainbow colored light here. So we'll just set that aside for a second. Your little button goes into the larger side of your wand, and you'll want to make sure that it kind of catches just inside, and you can push it down. Then you should have a little button, this diamond shaped button here. And then your coding wand brain will go inside, and make sure that this little white button here goes down where the button was, that little diamond shaped button on the front. Then we take the back of the wand, we'll push it in kind of like a TV remote, and you're just going to push it down inside, and you should see it click. And then you should be able to see this little blue light pop up on the front. And that is your coding wand, and you are ready to start coding.